Yes, good afternoon, everybody. Now, my second part. Yeah, this may sound just now. C++ is the platform development. What is the platform? Mainly used for C++ support multiple inputs, whereas Java supports the multiple at this point. Is the C++ operator overload. C++ support pointer. We can write a program in C++ using I support by default. Support you does not C++ built-in support. C++ my first Java program. Hello. How to write? How to write the Java program? First Java program. Say how to write a Java program in how to write a Java program. Using the notepad, writing a Java program. Then set to path and compile and run this program, etc. Just I come done later. In this section, we learn how to write a simple program of Java. We can write a simple Java program easily easily in any machine like Windows, Linux, Mac, Raspberry Pi, etc. Any machine installing the JDK. JDK means Java Development Kit. First, install the JDK. If that machine not install the JDK, then download the JDK and install it. Then set the path. Then create a Java program and then compile and run. Next, this is the first Java program. Simply class simple. This is the class name. This is the file name. Public static void main string args. System.out.println. System.out.println. This is the same as the printf statement. Hello Java. Just I print this term hello Java. But I come one by one. This program class simple, but after writing this program, how we save the program, how we compile the program, then how to execute the program. First, after writing this program, to save this program, class name dot java. This is the class name is simple. Class name is simple. Class name and file name both are the same. It will be both the same. This is simple simple.java. Then this is the class name, this class name. The class name and file name will be the same. The class name dot java, the simple.java. Then compile. How to compile it? Then write machine space simple.java. JavaScript space filename.java. That means class name.java, simple.java. After writing this, if there are no error, then the command prompt is coming and just I write the Java space file name. That means simple and simple. And after the output will come, after this comment, the output will come this point. Hello Java. Okay. Next, the main line, public static void main. Public static void main string args. What is the meaning of this line? Public, this is the keyword public, is an access specifier that declares the main method as unprotected and therefore making it accessible to all other classes. By default, the class name is public. We mention the public before the class name, or we cannot write this but by default the class name is the public. This is the unprotected. Why it is unprotected? Now accessible to other classes. This is the unprotected. Public static. What is the static? The static is a keyword. Static is a keyword which declares the method as one that belongs to the entire class, not a part of any object of the class. The main must be declared as static since the interpreter uses this method before any object are created. This is the static method. And void is the modifier. That means void state that the main method does not return any value. Main Java application program must include the main method. This is the starting point for the interpreter to begin the execute. Actually, when we begin the execute, it generally starts from the main method. After the main method of the code, Java application can have any number of classes, but only one of them must include the main method to initiate the execution. What is the string args? All parameters to a method are declared inside a pair of parentheses. That means this is the pair of parentheses, string args. String args declares a parameters named args which contains all array of object of the class type string. Obviously, string is the capital letter. The output line. The output line is system.out.println. System dot out println. System dot out dot println. This is the same as the printf statement. The printf statement. Printf statement and system dot out dot println both are the same statement. This is used for this printf used for the C C language, but system outdoor println is used for the Java. This is similar to printf statement of C. Since Java is a true object-oriented language, every method must be of a pattern of object. This is the println. This println method is a member of out object. That means println is a method, out is an object, and system is the class. The println method is a method of the out object, which is a static data member of system class. Now, the important thing is, after installing the JDK, how to set the path. There are two ways to set the path in Java. First is temporary and second is permanent. How to set the temporary path of JDK in Windows? First, to set the temporary path of JDK, we need to follow the following step. What are the steps? First, open the command prompt. In Windows, first open the command prompt. Then, copy the path JDK/bin directory. Then write this prompt set path equal to copy path. For example, this is how to set the path. In this way, we set the path in temporary way. Next, how to set the permanent path of JDK in Windows? Just we follow the steps. In this way, we set the path in permanent. First, we go to the my computer properties. Second, my computer properties. Second, click on the advanced step. Then, click on environment variable. Then, click on the new tab for user variable. Write the path in variable name. Copy the path of bin folder. Then, paste the path of bin folder in the variable value. Then click OK button. Then click OK button. That means OK button. OK and OK. Accordingly, two times we press this button. Now, in this way, the permanent path is set. Now we can execute the of any JDK means environment which is used to develop Java application. It's content and both are. Implementation of any of the is by the Java platform, Oracle this is the web from JDK and this is my Java virtual machines. In Java virtual machines, I have set function, and other functions. What are the combination of Java and Java and any other parts when we add JVM, this is called the JRE, and JRE would develop in Java runtime environment. With Java runtime environment, we added some development tools, means Java, JavaC, etc. Together, these all things are These four things we can say that this is the JDK, means Java Development Kit. This is the block diagram of Java Development Kit. Java variable. What is the Java variable? Variable is a container which holds the value while the Java program is executed. When we execute the Java program, then we declare a variable. Declare a variable. What type of variable? Integer type, floating type, double, string, etc., etc., which holds the value. Variable which holds the value. That means, in other words, variable in name of the memory location. When we write, integer x equal to 10. That means in C program or C++, C or C++ program, when we declare x is a variable whose value is 10. What type of variable? Is the integer type variable. That means it holds the allocate some space of the memory. In memory, it allocates some space where we store this variable 10. Sorry, value 10. That means variable is a name, is the memory location. That means it is a reserved area in the memory. Okay. In Java, integer type can hold the 4 byte of memory, both 32 and 64-bit architecture, where in C 32-bit architecture holds a 2 byte in memory, and 64-bit architecture it holds a 4 byte of memory. There are 3 types of variable in Java: local variable, instance variable, and static variable. This is the Java variable. This is my static variable. This is the local variable, and this is the instance variable. But what's the definition? Local variable declared inside the body of the method is called local variable. We can use this variable only within the method. Variable declared inside the method. This is my method, void method. Inside the method, this is my local variable. The local variable declares inside the method. And now, this is my local variable. Instance variable declared inside the class but outside the body of the method. It is called the instance variable. That means inside the class, but sorry. Now, this is my static variable. So what is the static variable? A variable that can declare as static is called a static. It can be local. It cannot be local. We can create a single copy of the static variable and share it among all the instances of the classes. Memory allocation for static variable happens only one time, when the class is loaded in the memory. So this is my static variable. This is not local. It created only one time of this. Okay. That means this is my static variable. Within the body, this is my local variable. Within the class, but outside the method, this is called the instance variable. So this is called the instance variable. So thank you for this part.